Hello everyone, this is Mahibul speaking and welcome to BM Smart Academy. And I'm going to create a new series. So in this series, I would like to cover up all the grammatical topic, also spoken topic. You know that I'm trying to develop my English communication skill. That's why I try to speak almost every time. So whenever I get free time, I try to practice. I try to watch English content like English videos. Also, now I fixed one goal, that is I would like to record at least one video every single day. But it is not that much easy that I'm thinking right now, because I was record my video 2 days ago, and within 2 days I could not record any video. That's why I am thinking that it is too tough to make a video consistently, but I will try my level best. Okay, so today's topic was to make some sentence using present simple tense, I mean positive sentence. Okay, so I hope you already can see behind me there is a whiteboard, and I have written some sentence, and all sentence are positive. I mean positive sentence. Okay. So I will move to the board. I would like to tell you something. That is, I'm also an English learner. So if you want to improve your English, you can practice like me. So it will be very effective. I know that this method will be work, because I actually watched so many videos. Those people are their trainer. They always recommended one habit, that is make video. Okay, so I'm doing this. So now come to the board. As you can see, I have written some sentence. All sentence are positive. So this is my part 2. I mean, I already recorded one video, that was part 1, and this is part 2. So now I have written some sentence. So before explain everything, let me share you something. That is, we have subject I, we, you, and they, and this subject demand that they always want to take B1. That means base from, a verb. But when you want to use as a subject third person singular number, I mean she, he, it, or any name, then this subject demand that if you want to take as a subject this type of a word, I mean he, she, he, any third person singular number, definitely you have to use int of the verb s or es, e or es. So now I will explain everything step by step. Just look at the board. I study, definitely this is a base from a verb. I study English every day. And we study, similarly we always take B1. That's why I have written here, we study English every day. Similarly you take B1, and they also take B1. But when I use here she, definitely I need to change the verb formation, like I have to use with the verb s or yes. Okay, this is actually different role. When any verb int with the y, definitely we have to remove y, and instead of we have to use ies. Okay, so this is actually a grammatical concept. So he studies English every day. Rohim studies English every day. Similarly, if I just use any name, definitely I have to use with the verb s or es. Okay, so that was a positive sentence. So I am just want to review one thing, that is, when you take subject I, we, you, them, definitely you have to take B1, that means based from. And if you want to use as a subject he, she, it, or any name, definitely you have to remember that actually most of the students, they make mistake when they take subject as a third person singular number. They forget to use into the verb s or es. So you have to focus on that topic. Okay, so I hope that you already understand that what I'm trying to make you understand. Okay, so in my next video I'll try to explain how to make negative sentence, and finally I will give you some idea how to make question and so on. Okay, take care, bye bye.